All right, guys, I know that you're missing school. I'm actually missing each one of you guys. Yeah, I never thought I'd say that. Missing you, Yahoos. Well, anyways, I want to show you exactly what to do each day so you know what's expected of you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log on to the Parkview website. Okay, if you come up here to the Corona Information tab and click down to the Read More, it will take you to this page. Okay, so you're going to go to the resource page. So this is the Ashwaubenon School District Remote Learning Plan. You're going to click on Parkview. Okay, and you will see a document that looks like this. Now, this goes through April 9th, if you notice. So you just have to go on this each day. So you're going to click on your 7th grade tab right here. And this will bring you to a link that tells you what your homework is. Okay, so for instance, here's science. It says you'll need about 10 to 30 minutes. You'll need your Chromebook. Go to your Google Classroom for daily learning instructions. So you're going to click on here and it should take you to your Google Classroom. The due date, answer article questions by Friday, April 3rd on Google Form. So guess what? This is probably what you'll have to work on all week. Okay, social studies. If you're in social studies class, 20 minutes over 2 days, Chromebook, go to Google Classroom and click on Start Here Lessons and follow the instructions for Lesson 1. So this is due on April 1st. Okay, ELA, 30 to 60 minutes a day. Okay, Chromebook or device, reading book. Go to your ELA, Google Classroom, follow directions for assignments, digital learning. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit more about this in a little bit. Math, for those of you who are in regular math with either Mrs. Bernath or with Mrs. Williams, you would click here. Otherwise, we're going to skip that for right now. That is not your math. So if you are in some sort of specials class, you're going to come down here and you're going to find the specials class that you are in. So for instance, if you're in World Art, you would go to your Google Classroom for instructions. If you're not in World Art, you're going to skip that. Maybe you're in Teen Life Skills, okay? Then you need to look at your Chromebook, sign into Google Classroom, okay? So you're going to follow the instructions for whichever specials electives class you're in. Okay, FIED at least 60 minutes per week. Instructions found in Google Classroom. Same with health, 10 to 15 minutes a day. Okay. So we're going to come down here and you will see reading with Mrs. Wills and reading with Mrs. Salas. Mrs. Wills and I are going to be doing a joint reading session. So you will follow the list to your Google Classroom. If you have not already added our Google Classroom, you need to accept that. You're going to go in and we're going to be reading articles each day, short, interesting articles, and then you need to respond either via a Flipgrid response, which it will tell you that, or you'll have to type a little something. This will also double count for your ELA writing. We'll talk about that in a little bit more. For math class, all I'm asking you to do is to log into VMath live and work on it for 20 minutes. That's it. Nothing too hard, nothing too terrible. Okay? So let's go back up to ELA class and log into our Google Classroom. So I'm going to go to my Google Classroom for ELA. Okay, and Mrs. Hanson will be posting daily questions right here that you should answer. Okay, so she has, oops, she has this extended learning doc. Okay, This is where you're going to copy and paste your reading responses from my reading doc. If you have questions, we can talk about that more. Writing prompts. All you have to do is click on the writing prompt, and it'll take you to a bunch of different writing prompts. Choose one, write 5 sentences, more if you can, right on here. Okay, grammar practice. Remember that no red ink? We've done this, so you should be able to log in already. So you're going to come on here and you're going to practice. So this should give you more information about what you need to do for ELA. Okay, don't worry about that. To show you what our Google Classroom for reading looks like. Oops, wrong one. Okay, you're going to see your assignment right here. Okay, so it says read this article right here. Compare and contrast Oymyakon and Dalal. How are they similar? How are they different? Pretend you're taking a trip to either place. You choose. What would you pack? So you're going to add your class comment here. Once you're done typing in your answer, you're going to hit submit, and then you can go to your extended learning doc. I think this is linked to your ELA, and complete your blurb for the day. Okay, so hopefully this helps. If you have questions, please let me know. We're going to be doing a Google Hangout twice a week as a big group. Those will be on Tuesday and Thursday at 11:30, probably for about half an hour or so. And then once a day, I'm going to try to do a Google Hangout with one of you. So, like on Monday, it might be Jack. On Tuesday, it might be Griffin. On Wednesday, it might be Kumachek. Um, on Thursday, it might be Tristan. So, those of you who are in my reading class, we're going to be reading via Google Hangout and continue to practice our good skills. Okay, so I hope everybody got a good night's sleep last night. Let me know if you need any questions. Have your parents send me out a remind app. You can email me and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we will see you tomorrow in the Google Hangout at 11:30. I will send you an email link to get in there, just like we practiced. Bye, guys.